Live, we're on the air here. I'd like to welcome you here to the AFC show today. You're in for a very special treat today. First of all, though, I'd like to introduce my co-host here, Patrick. Patrick, why don't you come on out here and join the audience here? Okay, Patrick here in a moment will be assisting someone here. And you're in for a very special treat today. She has a very secret recipe that's been in her family for generations, and she's going to share it with you here today. And Yeller, if you would come on out and welcome Yeller. I'm going to turn this over to them, and they're going to amaze you with their lumpia.
Thank you, Sir Warren.
Thank you.
Good morning, Yella.
Good morning, Patrick.
So, Yella, we're going to share her secret recipe. So, Yella, what are you going to cook now?
So, today I'm going to prepare a lovely dish that I named Lumpiang Sangay. So, the following tools that I'm going to use are the frying pan, boiling pan, pair of tong, a measuring cup, and tablespoons. So the first thing to do is
First, your ingredients.
so the ingredients would be
garlic, onion, banana peels, potato, ground pork, carrots, horseradish
Yella,
or
what are the
marjoram.
following steps you're going to do?
so the first thing to do, we must prepare a boiling water.
We're going to...
Yes.
Okay.
So when we reach the boiling point, we drop banana peel. Then let's wait it for 5 minutes until the banana peel would be tender. When the banana is already tender,
Yes.
let's slice it into mince or up to your desired size. But it's better it means so that you can taste it.
Okay. So, Yella, what can we get this from that?
Like the minerals or the vitamins. Actually, banana peel is good for blood circulation. Slicing of the banana peel, our next thing to do is saute the ingredients. Like the first thing to do is, so the third step, let's preheat the pan.
Okay. Then,
We'll add the oil. Okay, let's now add the garlic.
Okay. Then next,
Onion.
onion. Then after onion, the next.
Let's now add the pork.
Okay.
Actually, I add something to the pork that adds flavor,
Okay.
and that's secret.
Oh, okay. So that's your secret recipe.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's wait the meat until it's halfly cooked. Then we will add the next. So now let's add the banana peels.
Okay. Oh. It smells good.
So Patrick, can you hand me the pepper and the salt?
Okay.
So now let's add the carrots.
Minced carrot.
Minced carrot.
Yeah.
So carrot is good for the eye.
Yeah.
So now let's add the potato. Potato.
Oh.
Minced potato.
Okay.
Okay. So have you ever tried to eat the banana peel?
Not
Not yet?
not yet.
So now,
Okay. So we're going to add some sesame.
yes. Okay. Smells so good, Patrick.
Okay.
So,
It's almost perfect.
so
Okay. So Yala, I've noticed that it's almost done. So
I'll add it
you're going to
all
add
in one
what?
seasoning.
Okay.
So let's wait for a couple of minutes. So let's cover this for a while. Yes, for 5 minutes.
Okay.
And we'll be back.
Okay, so it's almost done, Yala.
Yes, Patrick. So let's now add the
malunggay.
malunggay leaf.
So what are the benefits of that malunggay? Based on my search, malunggay can give us vitamin A, B, and C, calcium, iron, and protein. Mostly, mothers nurture that malunggay is practical uses.
Yes. Okay.
And it can cure also for the anti-infectious, antifungal, and anti-allergy.
And malunggay helps anti-aging. Okay?
Yeah. And sometimes malunggay also can cure for the anti-cancer.
Anti-broken heart.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let's cover. Let's wait for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
Then let's
So
start
yeah.
wrapping.
It's almost perfect. Okay, so yellow, we're going to put the lumpiang sangay into the lumpia wrapper. Okay? So, amoy pa lang. Lasang-lasa na. Busog na ako. Okay, Yela?
So first, let's get 1 tablespoon of the mixed ingredients
Okay.
into the wrapper.
Okay.
Then roll it with the wrapper like rolling the. It's like you're just making lumpiang Shanghai.
Okay.
So just follow me.
Okay.
Follow me. Okay, first you roll up,
Yes.
then slightly pull it down. Then roll again,
Okay.
then the side, fold. Guys, kukuha ng bawang.
Okay.
Then
Now I know.
roll again.
Okay.
Today, so please help me welcome Kai and Belle. So welcome to my show, guys.
Yes.
So
Thank you very much for having us here.
this is my dish, lumpiang Shanghai, together with my special hot and spicy sauce. So it's my honor to taste my new dish. So
Alright, let's try it out.
Alrighty.
I hope you like it, guys.
The crust is good.
So how is it?
Delicious.
I think it's better if you dip it with my special sauce.
Let's try your sauce.
Definitely.
Better with the sauce.
Okay.
With your hot and spicy sauce. So, what are your
Yeah, what are the
ingredients?
I'm guessing there's carrots and a taste of
Yes, definitely. So, actually, my special ingredients. Any guess, guys?
No.
My question: have you ever tried eating banana peel in your own?
banana peel.
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
So, actually, what have you eat is made of banana peel?
Really?
Yes.
Oh,
Really? It doesn't taste like banana.
yes. I was thinking it's really, pork or other meat that you can combine with lumpia to taste much better. But I think that is pretty much a good idea for a diet dish.
And it's healthy too. right?
Yes. Aside from healthy, it's delicious. Alright, this is a very good dish, everyone. If we do have viewers that would like to get this delish recipe that you have, where can we purchase this?
Actually, this dish is available on Lumpia Shanghai House. This house located in Sabang Danao, across Mitsumi Company. So thank you for guessing, guys. It's
Very much for having us here.
my honor to be part of my show. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy my show. So till next week, here at AFC Cooking Show.
Yay!